A lot of people want the natural smile, but how can you get it? Hi, this is Luke from LSK 121. We made so many cosmetic cases and a lot of people questioning regarding Luke, how can I make the good cosmetic design? Like I said, a lot of people want the natural smile. Are you get it all the time? Or what is the right things to do to match the perfect smile design for individual people? Do you know that? Let's talk about this one by one.
Number one.
Number one, I need a photo documentation from the doctors. Probably you don't know, we're working with a nationwide dentist, more than 45 states, and they send to a lot of documentations. Some of do, some of don't. Some of doctors send me, it's not that great, but we're trying to make the best cosmetic as much as possible. Like I said, number one is photo documentation. For what? Detail, as you can see in my photo, detail photo shade tab, and then you see the final desired color. Okay, bleaching color, or slightly darker, or slightly more darker. Okay, and also I need the lower teeth. Okay, if they do top and bottom, that's okay, but if they do 6 unit, 10 unit, then I need a lower photo with the shade tab as well. You know why? Because I have to follow the lower teeth, brighter color, then I relate with the top color to make the final restorations.
Number two.
And also I need a prep color, which is I'm okay with the brown tone, I'm okay dark brown, I'm okay, but I don't like black color, just like black, just like way gray black color. That's created more issue. But when doctor gave us this lot of room, so compared to this is a prep, here's a lot of room, so I build up with a core, then it should be okay. You don't have any problem. So I don't need all the time stump color, which is natural tooth color after doctors prep it. I don't have any problem. But I need a color even though lighter, no prep in here, which is they did not touching anything, and then I need a color that one. Then I can relate with my recipe, so then I can go to make the decided material selection.
Number three.
Regarding material selection, okay, a lot of people said the zirconia restoration is better, lithium dislocate material is better, feldespatic porcelain, which is porcelain only, is better. Which one is better? Well, depends on your lab technician. Just ask your lab tech, and then just leave on, so they can help you to make the better restoration, lifelike restorations. And also depends on the patient adjacent teeth. If patient adjacent teeth is the fake restoration they already have, then I have to go to porcelain fused to metal, right? If they have a really super high translucency, meaning elderly person who drink the wine, there's a gray color, dentin is gone, it's a lot of grayish color. Guess what? I have to go to lithium disilicate. But I need a certain thing, opacity with a natural looking zirconia is okay. Feldespatic is fine, but a little bit fragile compared to the other one. So doctor have to really care about the bonding procedure in order to put those things.
Number four.
Photo documentations, I need a final color desire. I need a prep color. Oh, by the way, before they prep it, all the time I need a photo what you desire, because do not prep it and then take the color. It's too late because dehydrations. I know so many people just made a mistake. So like I said, whenever you see the patient, greeting, okay, and then take the color, that's the first option. Do not prep it and then give me the custom color, and then kind of little too late because of dehydrations.
Number five.
So photo, and then also I gave them Facebook. Doctor gave us Facebook. You can see the patients, and then from the vertical and the horizontal. God created our faces this symmetry. all the time. If they're symmetric perfectly, then they do cosmetic surgery. It's not possible. God created. But we have to match eyes and nose, teeth, the lips design. So I make the smile design line. In order to get that, I need a face bow. Doesn't matter what kind face bow. We're working with so many different articulation, which is more than looks like $75,000 I had. So whenever you send me Penadent, Sam's articulator, Ivoclar, Denner, whatever, so we are ready for the cable, whatever you're ready.
Number 6.
So face bow and the good impression also, okay? Also you can send me the order scanner and the design you can send me, then we can make the print model. But what I prefer, I want physical impression is much better, especially multiple cases. Let's say 8 unit, 10 unit, 14 unit. To me, impression is more accurate than print model. Some people's fine, some people okay. Or you can send me both.
Number 7.
I need a model or picture, so what patient looked like previously, occlusion 2, and then we know where patients move it, and then we decide it.
Number 8.
So regarding after they made the color, high opacity, medium opacity, or high translucency, and the design, okay, tooth design. Some people want square, I'm talking about edge area. Some people square rounded, rounded. But honestly, we follow the shape. That's the best way. I don't know those ridiculous, we make the square rounded. I like this. You can do that. We do have a guide, as you can see. That's great because most of the times patient and dentist did not know what their final goal. Therefore, we have to make the provisional. If patient was so finicky or so demanded, they want perfect, then we have to go to temporarizations, and then we see the movement, size of the teeth from the gingiva and incisor, and then corner of the teeth and the lateral, the canine, those kind of we can design it. So cosmetic case is all orchestrated. It's not like that whenever you stop by dentist office, say, doc, I need a beautiful Hollywood, whatever natural teeth you can give me. And doctors negotiate the patient, whatever, fine. And the doctors ask us, patient ask us, how much you charge it? All right, how much you charge? He said, my price is not cheap. I mean, maybe you should go to the laboratory and then talk to them, negotiate them. I'm selling my professional. So I recommend to the patient to go to doctor, and I recommend to the doctor, you all the time charge the separate fee because your lab is different. So I recommend the doctor, so they have to use 4 different labs. If they're using the insurance, you have sent insurance lab, you have to. Whenever they pay you the 10%, 15%, whatever you pay the bill. Whenever you got better insurance, you got a little bit better insurance lab. Whoever pay fee for service, hey, patient said, I want best, I need this, right? I want natural. What do you mean natural looking? So you have to rely on your lab tech who has the more experience. Looks like I'm selling my company or my teeth, but it's not. I mean, there's so many beautiful teeth. We got fortunate, we have more 45 state doctor, they send me, not all the time, once a month, twice a month, they send the case. I love it, right? But some doctors send everything here, that's good. So, trying to share with you guys, if I were in your situation, what am I supposed to do? So which doctor do I have to find it? And then because most patients did not know the laboratory made it. Nowadays, a doctor bought the machine, right? Milling machine. So they hired lab tech. So they painting, so make something. Now, that's very cheap stuff. I'm sorry. They can hire $25 per hour guy and the painting. That's about it. But you're looking for high end, just like boutique, just like really good stuff, just like your natural teeth. And you have to find it good laboratory. There's a lot of good laboratory guys out there. I'm talking about nationwide. I'm not talking about Illinois. We are from Illinois, Naperville, but I'm talking about the nationwide. Probably 5%. They do really good job. Okay, so doctor have to get the better, and then laboratory technician can do better, especially tissue. Okay, whoever make tissue, bring back to me. That's awesome, but ad will be money. But those things you have to see what you can get, the final restoration, not only the material selection, documentations, those kinds of things. Lastly, I would like to talk regarding those. You see my video final, and then I do have so many video every day I fabricated. I'm like cook. I'm getting old. I went to doctor's office. They give me really good stuff. But I enjoy my cook every day. I want to make the good cook. A lot of people ask me, Luke, how did you do that? But here is the guide. Without this guide, you cannot do. We need a great dentist, meaning they do great preparations, great tissue management, great impression, great bite, and the great occlusion. They prepare everything. So we are teamwork. We are teamwork. Not only you pay me, so Luke, you try best. No. I'm getting gray hair here, okay? You have to talk to your doctor. I have talked to the doctors. We have a team. Even after they consign it, I talk to the patient. Then we can give them best product. That's my joy. It's my duty. That's what I'm trying to help you. So I can talk more about that, but this one is, a lot of people don't want to do it 1.5 hour lecture or whatever. Kind of 15-20 minutes. I'm trying to finish it. But you can see more all social medias, Instagram, Facebook, you can see here LinkedIn, and you can see more. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and you helping me about the subscribe things, and I can make the better one. So see you next time, and just remember what I said. This is a point of view. Then you can select it. Then you can get the best product ever. I promise you. Thank you very much. After this great prep, and I made the simulation from the inside edge position, so we created correct shape and contour, and then buffer corridor as well. Right? So here's the lateral, here's the canine, here's the premolar. Alright, so this is a midline, this is horizontal line. So we finished the restoration from here, which is great. Alright, so this is an occlusion view. This is a single room. So now here's a story. And doctor gave us this nice smile design with this, and then we have the model here. This is inside edge positions, okay? And also we have these preparations. It's good. And here's his final restorations, which is finally finished. Okay, another nice cosmetic cases. The natural lifelike restorations from the emergence profile, and the good translucency. Nice textures. DC Cosmetic press. Then here's the occlusion. Now you see the more detail. Cosmetic restorations. Awesome.